You're listening to the Curious About Cannabis podcast. And we're about to see a tidal wave of research coming in. That's really exciting. So what do you hope to see from the future of all of that?
Human trials.
Yeah.
I mean,
with the herb.
You can only transfer so much from mice trials to humans. So that's a big one, ensuring that the formulations of cannabis being used in this research is really optimal medicinally. I mean, we see a lot of research on the isolated components, and we know they work very differently.
Yeah.
And, of course, one of the big teaching items that I cover with my patients is how to find medical grade cannabis. And what we find is, the whole plant is what you want, especially for something like cancer. You want that entourage effect. You want that synergy between all of those components and the wisdom of nature. When we start isolating it and fragmenting it, and I like the term bastardizing the plant, we see bell curves in response where it works for a while, and then as you increase the dose, it stops working completely. We have some comparative studies that support that whole plant is just as effective at 20 to 25% of the dose of isolate. So when you're talking about cost savings for patients, that's an important piece.
Huge. Wow.
And so really, we need more whole plant research, and so that. That's a big project that's near and dear to my heart, as well as figuring out how can we promote that, or at least be comparing, the isolates with the whole plant, so we can compare the outcomes. And I think that's going to be really important for ensuring that, patients really understand the difference between these formulations, and, where CO2 and isolates and things of that nature might be great for symptom management. I've got a headache. I'm going to take a hit off my vape pen. It's great. Quick relief. It's not going to give you that underlying balance that we're after with some of these sick patients. And if a patient's calling me, they're pretty sick.